want to like straight off ask you first, we have a vague idea of how our words, impact our thoughts, how our thoughts impact our actions, etc. Yeah. But here with NLP, what is the core problem it helps us solve? What is the core problem that you have found in your experience? That's the one that needs to get first solved.
Yeah. Yes. So first of all, I would like to say the full form of NLP, and I will explain what is the NLP. NLP is a neuro-linguistic programming. Whenever we are receiving any information from the external world, so what word neuro will do? Neuro will think upon it. Okay. Because whenever we have a communication with any person, after having communication, we will have a tendency to think.
Hello? Hello? Ah, okay. I thought it's my internet that has gone off. Everyone, just give us a moment. I think Khushali's connection is high. Hi, Khushali.
Yeah, yes. So we were discussing about the full form of NLP. N means it's a neuro. Whenever you have a communication with anyone, so you are receiving the information from the external world, and then your mind will think upon it. L stands for the linguistic. So in the response to that communication, the words, the language which you are using it, whether it's a verbal communication or it's a non-verbal communication, and how you react, that will decide our thought pattern, our belief, and etc. Our past, memory with the so-and-so person. Then next is the next is the programming. P stands for programming. So how we can reprogram our internal world, because see, every time we are trying to work upon the external world, okay, there was a miscommunication, other person was responsible. So I would like to bring a shift in the other person. So there is one quote says, yesterday I was clever, so I was trying to change the world. Today I am wise, that is why I'm working on myself. So instead of working on the external world, you cannot control thousands or hundreds of people, but yes, what you can do, the response is in your hand. Input, whatever people wants to give you, that definitely it will come, but how you will react, that will decide your mental state. So here programming means how we can reprogram our internal world, so that even our external world will remain as it is, we will not get affected.
Okay.
That is about the NLP.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about when a client comes to you, and like I mentioned, they've come to you with what they're stuck in a relationship problem, or they're stuck with a relation problem at work. They've got a co-worker. All of us have faced at some point or the other this thing about somebody who's constantly axing our chance or trying to take away some of the spotlight, or being extra competitive simply, or creating politics. How does my reworking of the script in my mind, how does that solve an external issue?
So I'm going to give you one simple example which will help to understand very well. So is my screen visible? No need to read anything. There is a Zoom. Okay, there is a Zoom. No need to read anything. Now at the present state, this is my present state. I'm working with a Zoom. Okay. Now at the back of my mind, it means if I will see, there are multiple apps are working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm saying that I'm unable to, my Zoom is getting disconnected again and again. Why it is not working effectively? Why my battery is not working effectively? What is the reason? So I thought, let me change my battery, or let me change my phone. After changing my battery and after changing my phone, the situation was unchanged. So then I was thinking, what is the reason? Then when I look at the back of the screen, back of the main screen, there are multiple apps. It's still running. They are consuming the,
consuming the battery. That's right.
Consuming the battery. So yes, I'm into a present state, but still my mind, it's not in a present state. At the back of the mind, we have multiple thoughts running. We are holding many unresourceful memories. As I have just now showed, it was a present screen was the Zoom screen, but at the back, there are 8 to 9
things running.
Unwanted screens were taking space. That in terms of NLP, we can say it's an unresourceful memory because it is not a part of my present life, but still it is consuming it. So still it is affecting some or other way and it is reducing my, energy and I'm unable to work effectively. So here what NLP says, you have to, if you want to live in a present, if you want to give your 100%, then first important thing is you should have a control over your subconscious mind. If you are holding any past belief or unresourceful memories, which is disturbing you, which is still affecting your present life, then with the help of NLP, we can shift our belief. We can bring a shift in our perspective. We can erase the painful memories. We can replace it with the positive one. We can reprogram our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is very powerful. We have a conscious and subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is approximate 90 to 95% of the total mind. Okay. Now, what usually happens that we work in autopilot mode. It means someone else is controlling.
I think
about NLP is we should have a control on our life. We should have a control on our mind, rather than our mind is controlling us. So with the help of NLP, you can reprogram your mental software. Suppose your laptop is not working effectively, so you do not need to change your laptop, right? You just need to upgrade the version, software, then it will start working effectively. So it's our mental software. We are keeping lots of unwanted data garbage, which we have to clear it off. We have to replace it with the resourceful memories and event. And once we will have a control over our subconscious mind, then as per our instructions, our subconscious mind will work. So by shifting and bring a shift in our subconscious mind, we can, fulfill any of our wishes.